Okay, so let's go ahead and also add the server 03 to the domain. We are joining into the domain, but before we can do that, you need to first give it a static IP, change the computer name, and then now join it to the domain. Okay, so let's see how you can assign a static IP to the server 03. Now we need to go into the PowerShell mode. We need to enter 15 and then run this command. Let me just copy it and then paste. Now we are assigning the IP 192.168.100.16 to this particular server, and then the gateway will still be the same. All right. So let's hit the enter key. Yeah. So you've seen it has already assigned. It's giving you, telling you that it has assigned the IP. So let's check again or confirm by using IP config. All right. So yes, that is that. Now the next thing we can do is to set the DNS. Okay. So there's this other command we can use to set the DNS, which we had earlier on done on the server 01. So let's see. So this is the command used in setting the DNS to. So this 192.168.100.10 is actually our server 01, which is the DNS server at the same time the domain controller. All right. So let's just hit the enter key here. And then the DNS is also set up. The next thing we can do is to change the name of the server. All right. So let's see how we can do that. We do that by running this command, rename hyphen computer, then the name of the server, which is SRV03, which will be the name we are going to use, and then hyphen restart. All right. So once you've done that, you just hit the enter key, and that's okay. So we can wait a minute and then reconnect. Okay, let's go ahead and enter the password and see if all the changes have been done. Then we can then join it to the domain. Okay, so the name has been changed to server 03. So the last thing we can do now is to join the server 03 to the domain. All right. Now to add the or to join the server 03 to the domain, we still have to go to the PowerShell interface. So once we are here, we run this command add computer then space hyphen domain name. Then you enter your domain name, which is homelab.local. All right. Then hyphen restart. All right. So once this, you are sure this is correct, add hyphen computer hyphen domain name homelab.local and restart. So once this is done, you just hit the enter key, and then it prompts you to enter your credentials. Over here, you enter the administrator credentials for the DC01, which is homelab /administrator, then the password. Right. Once you've done entering this, you click on OK. If that is correct, it should be able to go to and restart the PC for you. Once this PC has been restarted, then you will notice that it has joined the domain. All right. So now that is asking us. So you see, saying that sign into domain, which means that the server 03 has also joined the domain. Okay. Let's see. We enter the password, the credentials. Okay, so that is also done. So the server 03 has also joined the domain. You've changed the computer name, joined into the domain. We also changed the IP address to be static, assign the DNS as well. So this is all what we did.